Good morning to our lecturer, Madam Evie and friends. Today, we would like to present our topic for QSA206 Construction Economics, which focuses on economic policies and the Malaysia construction industry. Our presentation will cover five main parts: an introduction, overview of economic policies, the effects of economic policies on Malaysia's construction activities, the contribution of the construction industry to Malaysia's national economy, as well as the challenges and opportunities faced by Malaysia's construction industry. Malaysia's construction industry supports economic growth, employment creation, infrastructure development, and social advancement. This shows how important the construction industry to the country's overall development and quality of life. The industry involves various activities, including planning, design, construction, and maintenance. These activities cover the life cycle of a construction project from early planning until regular maintenance. In terms of background, the Malaysian construction industry is currently recovering and becoming more active. This recovery shows improvement after recent economic challenges such as pandemic COVID-19. This growth is driven by both public and private investment, infrastructure projects, and the rebound of the tourism sector. Together, these factors are increasing construction demand and supporting industry growth.
Economic policies are important because they help ensure stable and long-term economic growth. Three main economic policies affect the construction industry. They are fiscal policy, monetary policy, and government development plans. These policies influence project funding, construction costs, and investment decisions. This slide explains how economic policies influence construction activities in Malaysia. Firstly, fiscal policy affect construction through government involvement. Government spending on infrastructure such as ECRL and highways increase construction projects and creates more opportunities for contractors and consultants. Tax incentives for green buildings encourage developers to adopt sustainable construction methods. At the same time, subsidies affect operating costs, helping to reduce expenses for construction companies. Next is monetary policies. Interest rate, particularly the OPR, affect construction loans and housing demand. When the OPR is low, financing becomes cheaper, making it easier for developers and buyers to invest in construction projects. Lastly, development plans guide the overall direction of the construction industry. The Malaysia plans guide project priorities, ensure projects align with national goals. They also promote balanced urban and rural development so construction growth is not concentrated only in major cities. Lastly, development plans such as the Malaysia plans guide national project priorities. These plans support balanced development between urban and rural areas and not focus only in major cities. This slide highlights how the construction industry contributes to Malaysia's economy. First, in terms of GDP contribution, construction adds both direct and indirect economic value. Directly, it contributes through construction activities themselves, while indirectly, it supports other sectors such as manufacturing, transportation, and services. Next is employment creation. The construction industry provides jobs for professionals and laborers. It also supports related industries such as building materials, suppliers, logistics, and equipment services. Lastly, investment growth is another important contribution. The industry benefits from public and private sector investment, especially in infrastructure and property development. At the same time, large-scale construction projects help attract foreign direct investment (FDI), boosting confidence in Malaysia economy.
Okay, let's move on to the next slide. Infrastructure development and economic growth. Infrastructure development is essential for long-term economic growth. Infrastructure such as railways, roads, airports, electricity, and telecommunications improve productivity and business efficiency. Studies show that infrastructure development accounts for more than 22% of economic growth change in the long run. Therefore, continuous investment in infrastructure is important to support Malaysia's economic development. Next, challenge and opportunities. Despite its importance, the construction industry faces several challenges. These include rising material costs such as the cost of cement, steel and fuel, skilled labor shortage, project delays and cost overruns, and finally safety and environmental issues. However, there are also many opportunities. Continuous government investment to the use of modern technologies like IBS and BIM and the growth of green construction provides strong potential for future development. The conclusion is economic policies have a strong influence on the Malaysian construction industry. The construction sector contributes to GDP, employment creation, investment growth, and infrastructure development. Although the industry faces many challenges, there are still many opportunities for future growth. With continued government support, infrastructure investment, and the adoption of modern construction technologies, the construction industry will continue to play a vital role in Malaysia's economic growth and national development. That's all from us. Thank you for your attention.